Hey, welcome to our channel. Whether you're trekking through the Ozarks or just out there enjoying nature, our mission is simple: to help you become a better landscape photographer and to bring you along for the ride.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm here because Steve and I are going to be teaching f-stops tonight at our camera club. We belong to the Lake Area Camera Club. Hey, if you don't belong to a camera club, I highly suggest that you get involved in one. Networking with other photographers, and I always say this about Steve, he's helped my photography because you get a new perspective. And that's what happens at camera clubs. Oh, let me show you. If you want some cool photography t-shirts, Aperture Priority. I just got this from the wildlife collection. I like it. And they've got humorous ones, and we've always said that. Thank you to Aperture Priority for having these cool t-shirts. What I'm going to do today is I've set up, I'm at 50 millimeters. I just wanted a normal perspective, and I'm going to shoot every f-stop on my Nikon D850. I have my f-stop set at half increments. It will go to third, but the dynamic range on this camera, you can be off a full stop and still get a good exposure. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to focus. Oh, let me shoot a quick video and show you where I'm going to focus. I'm focused right about there, kind of a third of the way into the scene. And now I'm going to start at F22. There's a little breeze, so I'm going to take my ISO to about 400. And F22, manual focus, so it doesn't change, and I'm going to go through every f-stop. I have exposure delay on, so there's no movement with the camera. Okay, so I've shot every f-stop on my camera from 2.8 all the way up to 22 in Aperture Priority. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, oh, by the way, when I did this test, you kind of do the test where you get the sweet spot of this particular lens. If you have other lenses, you have to do the same test. But I'm going to zoom in on the background and see which f-stop is the sharpest. I know on this lens, f8 is the sharpest, so I'm going to go to f8. And I'm going to do focus stacking. So I'm going to start in the foreground. Now I have touch focus all the way down by the little green bush. Focus on the foreground, shoot one. Focus where I was earlier, about a third of the way into the scene. And now I'm going to focus about, the tip of the little gravel bar here. And what I'll do is process these, bring them into Photoshop, and then do a focus stacking. I'm on the tree now, and now I'm going to focus all the way in the background. Okay, that should do it. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, we're stuck at 899 subscribers. Share this with your photo friends. Share this with anybody who might have an interest. We'd like to get our viewership just up to 1,000. We're not making money. It's not about making money. It's about teaching you how to do better landscape, or now we've kind of branched out, how to do better photography. If you've not seen our channel, I think you'll like it. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, all that helps. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.